So you are just pissed off with this Meta AI button in WhatsApp or this Meta AI search bar in your WhatsApp account. So let's just get rid of it in just 2 minutes. So first of all, you have to open up your browser. It can be Google Chrome or Safari or any other browser that you use. And after that, you have to go to Google and search here up to down and hit the search button. And the very first website which appears up, you have to tap on it. And when its home page gets opened, you have to tap on its search bar available at the top right corner of the screen and search here WhatsApp and hit the search button. And from here, you have to tap on WhatsApp Messenger. After that, you have to scroll through this page and keep scrolling until you find older versions section. So tap on older versions, and today's date is 10th December. And WhatsApp's latest update was released on December 9th, 2025. And this Meta AI feature was released almost half and a year ago. It was released in 2024. So this website contains all of the older versions of WhatsApp. So what you have to do is you have to keep scrolling through this page and tap on see more until you get to 2023 or even to 2022. I mean, you just have to download any APK or version of WhatsApp which was released in 2022. And as soon as you do that and install any older version of WhatsApp, that will not contain this Meta AI thing in that version. But keep in mind that when you download and install that APK, you must not update your WhatsApp application after that, because as soon as you update that, you will again start seeing this Meta AI button in your WhatsApp account. So when you get to 2022 on this page, you have to simply tap on that mod and scroll through this page and simply tap on this download button, and that APK will be downloaded. So this was the solution for Android only. For iPhone users, just accept this AI as your destiny. Thank you so much.